Recording entries and posting purchase return book. Now we know that any purchase return which is done on credit in respect of goods and material is recorded in the purchase return book. The question which comes up is, how do you record it when you are preparing your purchase return book? And then how do you post it to the respective ledger accounts? So let us first see about the purchase return book. I broadly told you about the format in the last video. Okay, let me just add some more details around this. Let's say this is a transaction on 1st August 2012. Right. So a purchase return book will have a date column, a particulars column, a debit note number, right? The ledger folio, the details, and the amount column. So what is the date on which the purchase return happened? It happened on the 1st of August 2012. The date which comes is the date of the purchase return and not the date of the purchase, right? Goods purchased from KK and Company at a price of 5,000, carrying a trade discount of 10%, returned due to defect. So the way you write this is, first you pick up the name of the supplier and put it down, KK and Company, right? Then you write down the details of what has been returned. Okay, so in this case we don't know what is the nature of goods, so we can just say goods returned due to defect. What is the value of the goods? It's 5,000. That will come in the details column. Why? Because we have a trade discount also here. If trade discount was not there, then this amount would have come straight away in the amount column. Less trade discount at the rate of 10%, 500, and 4,500 comes in the outer column, right? Now debit note number we don't have. Okay, let's say for example if this would have said raised wide debit note number 4, so we'll just write 4 over here. The ledger folio, okay, that I will see. Now if you have to do the posting, the entry is like this only, simple, just like the way you had in the purchase book. Now there will be two ledgers which will be impacted in this case, one of KK and Company and the second will be purchase return, right? So you will write the date, okay, the amount which is the net amount over here will go and stand credited here. You will write by KK and Company. This I am writing because there's a single account over here. If there were multiple accounts, you would have written by sundries as per the purchase return book, whatever is the total net of the discount. Similarly, in the account of KK and Company, you will debit them to, again the date has to be the same, to purchase return account 4,500, right? And therefore the posting is completed. So KK is debited, purchase return is credited, right? In case of purchase it was the reverse, because purchase has a debit balance, so expense account was debited. Purchase return, being a reverse of an expense, is credited. I hope you would have understood this. Thank you for being with us today.